How to create a digital planner in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and customizable digital planner in Notion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open Notion and click on plus new page to start a fresh planner page. Give your page a title like My 2025 Digital Planner. Now, type table or /calendar to add different views for planning. Select Table Full Page to begin with a task manager. Add columns for task name, due date, status, and priority. Next, type /toggle and create toggles like daily, weekly, and monthly to organize your sections. Inside each toggle, use checklists by typing /to-do to break down your goals or habits. For a weekly view, type /calendar and add events or deadlines. Want a more visual layout? Type board to create a Kanban-style board and track projects by status. You can also embed widgets like clocks or weather using /embed and pasting the widget link. Finally, customize the look with icons, a cover image, and color-coded headings to keep it fun and personal. That's how you can create your own digital planner in Notion and stay organized every day. Try building one that fits your lifestyle. That's all for the video.